It doesn't die now when you slow down. Lucky enough, me and my buddy got the clutch fixed yesterday. One of our RZR buddies was nice enough to sell me a windshield and throw in his old 4-seater clutch insides for free. So I went ahead and threw a 2017 4-seater 1000 spring and clutch weights in mine. Seems like it does a whole lot better. You can see the issue from before. The clutch weights are worn pretty bad. I don't really know what caused it. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what these look like. So I'm guessing that's the two that we're catching. There's the old spring that was in there. So now it's doing great. I know it's just temporary fix, but I'm gonna run it and see what other bugs we run into. I put one of my 6-inch drop production cages on here and decided that's gonna be a little bit too low for my liking on the headroom. So I went ahead and ordered L&W seat lowering bases. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox those for y'all and try to throw them in there. See what kind of difference it makes. I've heard they're a pain to install, so I'll let you know what I think about it. Looks pretty good. Definitely made it lower and reclined it. Only thing I can complain about is the fit. Not really that great. It just pops out like that. Maybe just my fault on there, but I got tired of fighting with it. About the best fit I could get. So I'm just gonna live with that. Now I'm gonna take this cage off and see if I can fit an 8-inch drop with a seat lowering base. We got the 6-inch drop off. Slip the 8-inch drop on there. Looks pretty low. Fitment's pretty good. Well, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to fit in the 8-inch drop. I can't be looking cool like the low gang. I'm 6 foot flat and this bar is just in my head. So it looks good, but gotta save the style points for the shorter guys.